basically you see this little MagSafe circle up here, and that's the phone recognizing that you just connected this MagSafe accessory to it, which I think is definitely very cool. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, coming at you with another awesome technology video, and today folks we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, Apple's clear case with MagSafe for none other than my absolutely beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that. Here we go. And folks, here we are up close and personal with this case's box. As you can see on the front, we've got a picture of the case as well as its name, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case with MagSafe by Apple, of course. And over here on the back of the box, we've got some instructions on how to put your phone in. Looks pretty simple right there. So anyway, let's open up this box and let's check out this case. So here we go. Let's just pop this right open just like that, and we can slide the case out. Boom, that was easy. Here it is, looking nice and clear, if I do say so myself. I guess that is the name of the case, so that definitely does make sense. And anyway, let's just put my phone right in there. So we can just go just like that, just like those instructions. And oops, it wants to take a picture, silly little guy. And boom. Wow. That was easy. There it is in this case. We can just put my phone to the side for just a second and see if anything else is in the box. Yep, it looks like we got some paperwork right here. And yeah, now let's put the box to the side and take a closer look at this case right here. Oh yeah. Anyway, now that we've got this case on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, we can look around it. Over here we got a cutout for a mute switch. Over here we got volume up button, volume down button. It is a bit harder to press the buttons than it was before without the case on, so that's something to note. Over here we got the side button, boop, boop, boop. Over here on the bottom, we got a very large cutout for the speaker grills and the lightning port. Over here on the top, we got nothing. Over here on the back, we've got the little MagSafe circle right here, as well as this little part right here. Basically, this has MagSafe magnets integrated into the case as well. So, for example, if you've got another MagSafe accessory, right here, we've got the MagSafe charger that Apple also makes. This doesn't come with the case, by the way. I bought this separately. You can just snap it right on, and it still works just fine. So, yeah, that is pretty cool. I definitely really think MagSafe is an awesome idea on this new iPhone because I really like magnets and phone accessories, obviously. So, yeah. Anyway, we've also got a cutout right here for the giant camera hump on the 12 Pro Max. And one thing I definitely like about this case is just how thin and unobtrusive it is. You can tell when you're just looking at the phone's display, you can visibly see that thinness. I also do like how this case is clear. So for example, if you got whatever color on your iPhone that you really like and you still want to see that color, even with the case on, this case allows you to do that. So for example, I got the Pacific blue color of the 12 Pro Max, and that is the new color. So if I really want people to know I got the latest iPhone because of that new exclusive color, I can still do that with this case because you can see it is still nice and visible. So now another thing that's interesting about this case is if we go to take it off, watch this, we can just take it off, pop the phone out right there. As you can see on the inside of the case, it says iPhone MagSafe, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And yeah, I just thought that was kind of fascinating that there's like a little messaging inside the case on the inside of the little MagSafe circle right there. And watch this too. When you put the phone back in the case, I didn't notice this the first time I put my phone in, but I noticed it later. Basically, you see this little MagSafe circle up here, and that's the phone recognizing that you just connected this MagSafe accessory to it, which I think is definitely very cool. So as I keep playing around with this case, another thing I will note though is it does feel quite slippery in the hand, so hopefully that doesn't mean I will drop it or anything. I definitely wouldn't want to drop my phone, so that's one thing to note. Another thing, if you're wondering the price of this case, it is about $50 before taxes, just so you guys know that. And yeah, anyway, with that, guys, that'll conclude my nice, quick, easy unboxing video of the Apple Clear case with MagSafe for it, none other than the absolutely beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yeah, I definitely look forward to enjoying still seeing my phone while having a case on. I definitely think that is a pretty cool concept of clear cases because Apple works so hard to design these absolutely beautiful iPhones, and I still want to protect them. So this is definitely a good compromise here of adding a bit of case protection while still being able to see that absolutely gorgeous design of the phone. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's worth the money? Definitely let me know because I do read all your guys' comments, by the way, because I just love hearing from you guys. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the absolutely stunning iPhone 12 Pro Max in Apple's very own clear case with MagSafe for it. Bye.